Oh my god, that is the cutest lip liner ever. Hey guys, it's Tiff. What is freaking up, you guys? Holy freaking cow. We are gonna be playing with two of my favorite things, makeup and tiny things. So today we are doing a full face of makeup using only tiny free magazine samples. Everything I'm gonna be putting on my face today fits in this little bag. What? This weighs 6.5 ounces. I'm pretty sure my makeup bag right now weighs at least 20 pounds. I can't even imagine how heavy James Charles makeup bag is. A couple months ago, I uploaded a video where I used only tiny hair products. So I figured today I was gonna do tiny makeup products, but I know a lot of people have done that already. So I wanted to take it a step further by doing tiny makeup samples. I don't mean those deluxe samples. I mean actual samples. Do you guys remember as kids opening magazines? Yeah, like maybe not, but 17 magazine will have like perfume samples, moisturizer samples, foundation samples. I mean straight up one-time use. This is an eyeshadow. If you guys like this type of video, give me a huge thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe down below. But let's go ahead and get started with this full face of makeup using pre-magazine samples. So the first thing we are gonna use is this Dior serum. I like don't even know how to open these. So, you guys, this little guy has 0.04 fluid ounces inside of it. There is a bottle that is 1 ounce, which is like 20 of these. That's like $100. All you have to do is get 20 of these little samples and you have an entire bottle. What? Okay. That smells so good. There's so much of it still left. Steal 20 of these. The next thing we are using, this is Dr. Jart's Cicapair Derma Green Solution. It's supposed to tone your skin so it doesn't look as red. This has 0.05 fluid ounces in it. Whoa, I'm shook. Oh, that smells so good. Are you guys ready for Christmas? Why does my face look like a tomato? Just an FYI, I do a lot in my skincare routine. So the next step we have here is Herbivore Lapis Facial Oil. Oh. Oh. That literally smells like jasmine tea. I actually really like this. I wonder how much this is. Oh my god, that is $72. Okay, super fancy. We got our serum, we got our oil. Next is a moisturizer, the Bashia Revitalizing Black Hydration Gel. Okay, open. Fudge. Okay, this guy almost has 0.1 ounces in it. This is like a baller deluxe sample. Wait, it's black. Why is it black? Whoa. I hope it's not black on my skin. No, I actually really like that. Nice. I totally look naked when I do that. Hello, not naked, naked. Not naked, naked. Next step is eye cream. So the only eye cream that I had was the Mary Kay Firming Eye Cream. P.S. Life tip, only use your ring finger to apply eye cream because it's your weakest finger. The way you can tell that your ring finger is literally the weakest finger on your hand is, do this with me right now. Grab your two hands, interlace them together. Now start standing up your fingers. Start with your pointing finger, then your middle finger, then your ring finger, and then your pinky. Can you see how weak it is? Like it literally can't stand up unless other fingers are with it. This is my middle finger. Ring finger can't stand up unless... Next step we have is putting on the actual makeup. It's happening. So I have primer. Is the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer. Okay. Oh, and that flew everywhere? Ew, gross. Oh, that's pretty thick. This is 0.1 fluid ounces. This is crazy. Don't even buy makeup anymore. Just use samples. This smells like feet. This smells so bad. What did I... Oh God. Is that how it always smells? I don't like the smell at all. I think it's expired, you guys. I'm gonna leave it on my face. Maybe it's supposed to smell like that. But the next step is foundation. So the only option that I have is the Fenty 150, 220, 340, and 420. What? Is this not the most satisfying thing ever? ASMR. Is this not satisfying? If that was an ASMR, I don't know what is. We're gonna use this very sparingly. And kind of my skin color. Okay, I'm gonna try to mix that in with the 220 because I think this might be too light for me. 220. I actually think mixing the two made like the perfect color. Can't forget your neck. Does anyone else put like makeup on their ears? I've seen Sister James do it. I've never tried it. Wait, we had another option for a foundation. There's this Hourglass foundation. Oh, she's thick. Whoa. I have high hopes for this. Am I just like messing up my skin? Okay, that is like super yellow. We're just gonna pack on the makeup. Okay, I need to stop here because I'm looking super cakey. I'm pretty sure there's enough on my skin right now. She's ready for concealer. So the only concealer that I have is this concealer. This is the Sephora Collection Bright Future Gel Serum. Hi, back to ASMR with TIFFANYMA. Let me know if I should do an ASMR video. Also, my nails are turning orange. Come on. Oh, she's nice and thick too. Okay, that's like literally the color of my skin. Zoe, you're distracting me. That is actually such good concealer. Concealer? No concealer. Concealer. No concealer. Concealer. Gotta do the other side. I'm gonna do a little bit less. So far, I dig it. This is great. We love this. This is awesome. Oh my God. Whoa. Why am I being annoying? That's a good question. I feel like my energy levels are like super high this morning. I totally carb loaded. Like if you guys want an update on why I'm not doing keto anymore, I would totally give you guys an update. There is an actual health reason I'm not doing keto anymore. And if you guys want to know more about it, I'll do like an entire video about it. I'm no longer doing keto. I'm not gonna lie. I think this is actually the first time I'm trying Sephora makeup and I really like the concealer. Like I almost like it more than Shape Tape because I feel like Shape Tape is a little too thick for me, even though your girl loves it thick. Next step we have is some translucent powder. Can you guys see how flat this is? How is this possible? That is so cool. How cute is that? Why do little things make me so happy? Wait, what is that? Wait, oh my God. Ew, what is that? Ew, it's like disintegrating. Why is it disintegrating? I think this stuff is super old. We don't like that. I'm just gonna use a face brush instead. Kind of nervous about all this Mary Kay samples. Oh my God, it's coming off. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Pack it on. Not the best powder I've used, but it like does the job, so that's good. All right, we need to contour our face. This color is way too dark for my skin. Oh yes, Lancome coming through with the nice, not old applicator. This is good. See, I can't tear it. That is a good sponge. All of my friends the other day were asking me how I contour my nose, and I want to tell you guys a little secret on how I do it. So I rub whatever contour powder color I'm using into my ring finger. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift my head up and down. I'm not gonna move my finger and like place my finger right here and move up and down. Put it where I want it, up and down. I just blend it, this area. That is such a warm color. That is literally orange on my nose. I'm gonna use this color instead. This is an eyeshadow from Mary Kay. Oh God. I was so excited to show you guys how to contour your noses and my nose looks terrible. Oh my God, it's almost gone. Oh, it's there. Oh, okay. Did it work? It worked. I wonder what James Charles could do doing this. He'd probably make the prettiest eyeshadow look ever. So we have contour. Sister is snatched. We look good. We have a few options for blushes. Which one do I use? I would normally go for like a rosy pink blush like this one. I'm gonna use this brush. Can we talk about how tiny this blush is compared to this blush brush? Like, this is hilarious. Oh my God, you can kind of see it's coming out. I'm sister shook. I'm shook. I'm actually really shook right now. Color is super subtle. It's barely working, but it's almost gone. It's getting me kind of anxious that I might not have enough for both cheeks. Next thing is bronzer. We need bronzer, 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 bronzer. This is a mineral cheek color in the color Golden Copper. We have my bronzer brush, which is gonna wipe off all of this in like one swipe. Oh! Look! Oh, that's a lot. I gotta be real careful with this. I don't know if you see anything. Did that work? That is so cool. Gotta bronze my entire body. Did it work, you guys? Can you guys see a difference? That was good enough. Time for the highlighter. Highlighter. I'm so excited for this highlighter. We have a lot of options for highlighters. Cream highlighter or powder highlighter. So I actually might double up. Click and Glow Highlighting Skin Fluid. There are 4 options. Peel this guy off. That's what it looks like. There's barely any in there. They're skipping out. My fingers are so dirty. I'm like using my blanket next to me. I don't think I had very often. This is probably the time I should. Whoa. Whoa, my skin looks great. Oh, okay, I don't even have highlighter on and it looks great. I don't know about this color. Let me go into the pink color. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like I'm disappointed. Don't like it. Wow. Okay, I ended up moving because I felt like the lighting was really bad at that angle, and it's like a million times better here. This is what my makeup looks like. Crystalline, powder perfect eye color. This looks so freaking cool. That's it. I should use an actual brush. What am I doing? Honestly, Mary Kay is kind of good. And Cupid's bow. You guys, I love this. Next step is eyebrows. I couldn't find an actual product that was for eyebrows, but I'm gonna use like a powder instead. The color we are using is Hazelnut, again from Mary Kay. Mary Kay come in clutch for this video. They have great stuff. Oh, heck yeah. Wow, this is so bad. I don't know if this is working at all. Maybe it is. Can you guys hear Zoe drinking water? I love when she drinks water. It's pretty good. Next step, there are a lot of options for eyeshadows. I'm gonna use white sand for my eyebrow highlight. This is so fun. Look how much product is on there. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Come on, Zobear. Every time I film, you gotta play the happy birthday song. It's not your birthday. Do you wanna show everyone your toy, Zoe? This is it. So for my transition color, I'm gonna use the color I was gonna use as contour. This is actually working way better as a transition color than it worked as a contour color. I think we're gonna use the color Golden Rod. Oh, it's a pretty color. And then I'm gonna go in with that transition color and just blend everything out. Yay, we're almost done, you guys. Okay. Next few steps is mascara, and I found some mascara that was sample size. This is the Benefit They're Real mascara. I also found a mascara base. This is Shiseido. I don't even use mascara bases on a normal basis, but my eyelash extensions look pretty bad, so we're gonna use this. I don't know if it's doing anything, but I'm sure it is. Well, that's that. Next step is regular mascara. This is so freaking cute. I love tiny things. How satisfying is that sound? Let me just do that one more time. I feel like my hand has to be so close to my face. This is literally just the tip. That sounds terrible. Heck yeah, eyes are done. I think they look pretty good. You guys are gonna be so excited about this. I found a sample of a makeup setting spray. How I found it, I have no idea. Can you believe I found a setting mist? Like, doesn't that look like cologne? And it's literally gonna be like the tiniest little sprays ever. Oh, those are actual legit sprays. Hold on. You guys, that is the cutest thing ever. I kind of want to keep this and like put my other makeup setting sprays in here whenever I'm like on the go. I don't know. Pretty good. Last step is lipstick. For lip liner, we have the cutest little lip liner ever. Is that not the cutest little thing ever? Oh my god, it's so cute. And it's just literally just the tip. Oh, that looks so bad. The lipstick color I'm gonna be using is from Givenchy. And it comes with 3 pretty colors and a little like applicator. That is actually the most adorable thing I've ever seen in my entire life. That smells good. I wonder if this is like the same applicator you get if you purchase the product. I am a fan of this applicator. I'm kind of shook at how much I actually like this product. Yo, guys, that is it with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my full face using makeup samples that you get for free. I am actually shook at how much I like this look. I'm gonna link all the products that I use, like the full-size versions down below. Honestly, before I started this video, I thought the challenge would be that I would run out of products. But honestly, like all of these samples, you could definitely use like 2 or 3 times. And that is gonna save you so much money in the long run. Hoard your samples, girl. Get those samples, collect them, save them. Your girl did a great job. I don't know. Let me know down below. If you guys made it to the end of this video, comment down below a happy face because I just wanna know how many of you guys actually stuck around. Make sure you guys give me a huge thumbs up if you guys like this video. That is it with my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.